Hey Stampers, welcome to another week of Watch It Weekly Wednesday. I'm Aubrey and I'm excited to share with you today some new product that's in the Stampin' Up! 2018-2019 annual catalog. Stampin' Up! Has done something really fun and exciting this time, and they're giving us a little pre-order of a fun suite called the Share What You Love suite. This suite is available May 1st through May 31st of 2018, so this next month. We're really excited about it, and it's really cool. There's 3 different suites that you can choose from to order, and they're a little bit different in price and product, and I wanted to kind of share that with you today and just give you some details on what that's all about. This is the little brochure. So like I said, there's 3 bundles. There's the Just Getting Started bundle, a Little More Please bundle, and the Gotta Have It All bundle, which I think we all have to have it all. So, but we'll start with the smallest one first. And I just wanted to show you what's in the bundle and then some projects you can do using that bundle. So here we go. We'll start with the Just Getting Started bundle. This one I feel like is really geared toward a stamper that may just beginning to stamp. Maybe you have a few stamp sets, a few stamp pad colors, but not a lot of anything. So it's a really great place to start if that's what you're looking for. So it comes with, this is the cute stamp set that's in there, the Love What You Do stamp set. It also comes with a clear e-blot for the photopolymer stamps, which is so nice to have. This one will fit all of the stamps that are in this set. It also comes with 2 stamp pads, Old Olive and Grapefruit Grove, which this is one of our new in colors this year, so that's a really fun one to have. And then it comes with some Very Vanilla cardstock, a full pack, 40 sheets of Very Vanilla cardstock. And then for free for ordering the bundle, they send you 40 vanilla envelopes to go with it too. So it's an awesome place to start if you've not really stamped a lot before, and you get a whole lot of stuff in that bundle. Let me show you some ideas, some card ideas that I've come up with using just these things so that you can see what you can do using this bundle. So I've come up with 2 ideas here. We have one, thank you, and this one here. I'm lucky to have a friend like you. And then I just cut a little banner there for some interest. So obviously these cards are really simple, but it's a great place to start if you're just looking to get into to start stamping. So the Just Getting Started bundle retails for $57, and you get all the things that I showed here. Next is the A Little More Please bundle. So this has a few more accessories and that sort of thing. So this is more for people that have stamped before, have quite a bit of stuff, but don't want to fully invest in the big bundle. So let me show you what all is in here. Again, you're going to get the Love What You Do stamp set, but you're also going to get another stamp set. This one's called Make a Difference, and this is another photopolymer stamp set. It's really fun. It has all of these letters that you can build words. It has 2 different fonts here, and one cool thing about this font up here is it has these double letters. So there's 2 F's, a TH, 2 T's, 2 E's. So when you're going to stamp your letters, you don't have to use the L twice or the E twice. You have a stamp that does that for you. And using this stamp set is actually really easy to do. You can get the letters on there really easily together, and it's really hard to mess up, which is really good for me. So this is the other stamp set you get with it. You again get Very Vanilla cardstock of 40 sheets in the pack. And then you also get this assorted cardstock. You'll get 24 sheets total in the package, so 6 each of these 4 different colors. This is Mint Macaron, Rich Razzleberry, Old Olive, and Grapefruit Grove. So this Mint Macaron is an old in color that we used to have that's returning this year. We're really excited about that. And then again, that Grapefruit Grove that is really pretty and fun, one of our new in colors. So you get that package of paper. You also get these accessories. You get these pearlized doilies. These are so pretty. Let's see if you can kind of see that sheen that's on those doilies. So pretty. And then the other side is just, it's not pearlized. So if you wanted to go for more the matte look, you can do that too. You also get this ribbon, this Velvet Rich Razzleberry ribbon, which is very pretty. And there's 10 yards of this on here, so quite a bit of ribbon. You also get these Share What You Love Artisan Pearls. These are so gorgeous too. They have that pearlized look again, and there's all these different colors in here, and they're so pretty. I love those. So, and then you also get the Grapefruit Grove stamp pad as well, and you get for free, you get the Very Vanilla envelopes again, and also for free you get this fun Share What You Love embellishment kit. Look how cute this little box is. Cute on the top and the bottom, and then inside you have embellishments. There's some cute paper clips in here. There's this cute metallic rose in there, and it's self-adhesive, so you can, it just goes right on your project. You also get these fun tags that you can punch out and put on your project. And you get white thread and some mint macaron baker's twine. So fun. So much for such a great value. Oh, and let me show you some projects that you can make using this one. So you have this one. And on the back here, I like to call this Making My Own designer series paper. Since in this bundle you don't get the designer series paper, you can just stamp a piece of vanilla and make your own back there in the back. Very cute. And you can see the cute pearlized doily there. Oh, I love those. So fun. And then here's another one using that same layout idea with the banner on the bottom. Very cute. So this bundle retails at $91.50 for that A Little More Please bundle. All right. So the third and final bundle that we're offering, that Stampin' Up! Is offering, is called the Gotta Have It All bundle, which is obviously the one that we have because we have to have it all. So this bundle, you get all of this stuff that I just showed you in A Little More Please bundle. You also get this fun dynamic textured embossing folder, and it has a really fun flower here. You can kind of see. The very most exciting part of the bundle, in my opinion, you get the paper. Now, this paper, usually our designer series paper, you get 12 sheets, 2 of each design, but in this package, you get 24 sheets. That's 4 of each design. So it's really fun, and you can see on this paper, it has a pearlized effect on some of the sheets. Do you see that there? It's so pretty. So let me kind of show you this paper. I love all the different colors in it. So cute. And all the different flowers. I feel like you could use it for so many different seasons and occasions. It's so pretty. So that's one side. This is the side that has the pearlized. I just want to like show it off to you. I hope you're able to see that. And then this side doesn't have the pearlized, but still very cute patterns and colors there. So fun. I have loved playing with this paper. So you get those 2 extra things, and then you also get another stamp set. It's called the Statement of My Heart single stamp set. I don't have the set here with me, but I'll show you what it looks like. It's really cute. It has this little saying on the back, or on it, to love what we do and share what we love as we help others enjoy creativity and worthwhile accomplishments. In this, we make a difference. So that's Stampin' Up! Statement of the Heart. And I thought, what a fun place to put it on the back of a card and share that with somebody else. I think that's a great idea. So let me show you some of the ideas that I came up with using all of the paper and the accessories in the bundle. So here's my first one. And on this one, I used the Make a Difference stamp set. So I built my hello and then used this cute little flower in there. And then if you can see back here behind, I used the embossing folder, which is really pretty. So there's that one. And then this cute Love What You Do. So cute. All the accessories using that paper. So fun. So the Gotta Have It All bundle retails for $127.50. So let me show you a few other ideas that I've come up with using this stamp set. I'll just go through these quickly, just quickly show you. So you can see on some of them I've used the designer series paper. On some of them I've just used the stamps and accessories. you can kind of get a great look either way. So much fun. I have loved it. And one more. It's a beautiful day. I love the sayings in the stamp set. Okay, so if you're interested in purchasing this stamp set and you want to purchase it through Jill, you can go to her website at stampandjill.com and click on the link to order. If you use hostess code 4FAPMJTK, which we'll post in the links below. So if you use that host code to order, we will send you a special surprise gift from us. Remember, this is the only time that you can order this bundle for this price with the free stuff involved. So make sure you jump on it and get it this month, May 1st through May 31st. We've also banded with a group of very talented demonstrators to put together 20 different project sheets that if you purchase the A Little More Please bundle or the Gotta Have It All bundle, we'll send you along with your bundle. So if you want to get the 20 different project sheets plus a little surprise gift from us, make sure you go and visit stampandjill.com and click on the order link so that you can get in for that, and just do it before the end of May. If you have any questions or you have any comments, please leave a comment below and we'd love to chat with you. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next week for another Watch It Weekly Wednesday.